Hi guys, in front of me is TECNO Phantom 5 Flip, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First, open your phone gallery. And now let's start with the first code, which is *##06#. As you can see, this one provides you with essential numbers assigned to your device, and these are email and serial number. Tap on OK to exit. And another code that you can use is *##426 #**. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, select more icon and mark advanced view. Let me go back. And another code that you can use here is *##***, 225, ***. And here you've got the calendar info. So once you've got your calendar, your account connected with this device, so it can be Google Calendar, iOS Calendar, or any other app, all events would be displayed right in front of you. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.